The financial world is undergoing a revolution, and one technology is at the forefront: blockchain. Private equity, traditionally known for its long investment horizons and limited liquidity, is now being transformed by the power of blockchain and tokenization. What is tokenization? Tokenization is the process of converting physical assets, like private equity, real estate, and even fine art, into digital tokens on a blockchain. These tokens represent ownership, offering a new way to buy, sell, and trade assets in a fractionated and accessible format. And with this comes a seismic shift in how investors interact with alternative investments. The traditional challenges of private equity. Private equity has long been an illiquid market. For many investors, it's been a challenge to access or sell these high-value assets without being locked in for years. Tokenization solves this by breaking down those large, often inaccessible investments into fractionalized, tradable units. By using blockchain technology, tokenized assets can now be traded seamlessly on decentralized platforms, creating a more liquid and dynamic market. Market potential and new opportunities. This transformation isn't just theoretical. Experts project the tokenization market will reach a staggering $24 trillion by 2027, signaling massive potential. Fractional ownership allows retail investors to tap into markets previously dominated by institutional players, leveling the playing field. Whether it's real estate, private company equity, or even commodities, investors can now own a piece of these valuable assets. Security and transparency in tokenization. Tokenization isn't just about access, it's also about security and transparency. Blockchain's decentralized ledger ensures every transaction is publicly recorded, providing full transparency into ownership and asset transfers. This reduces the reliance on intermediaries and lowers transaction costs, making the entire process more efficient and secure. Institutional adoption and regulatory clarity institutions are catching on. Financial giants like JP Morgan and BlackRock are already investing in blockchain and tokenization projects. And with growing regulatory clarity from governments around the world, such as the SEC guidance on tokenized securities, institutional investors can confidently explore this new frontier without the fear of regulatory pitfalls. Real-world examples of tokenization. Real-world examples already show the potential of tokenization. Swiss bank Sygnum launched the world's first tokenized asset-backed fund, offering investors liquidity and transparency in private equity markets. Similarly, projects like Aspen Digital Token are offering fractional ownership in luxury real estate, unlocking previously untapped capital. The role of stablecoins in tokenization. Another game changer is stablecoins, digital currencies pegged to real-world assets like the US dollar. They provide a stable and efficient medium of exchange for tokenized assets, reducing volatility and enhancing liquidity. At Kenson Investments, we specialize in educating and guiding investors through the evolving landscape of digital assets, blockchain strategies, and regulatory compliance. Whether you're looking to tokenize real-world assets, enhance your knowledge of digital asset strategies, or navigate the complexities of blockchain, we have the expertise and resources you need to succeed.